subscribe to this is KSTG channel and press that bell icon to watch all my latest videos before anyone else.
Where the heart is.
So how's it going, everybody? This is announcing KSTG and it's freaking 2020 and we still face this problem that I'm making this video about today. So yeah, I was browsing my Instagram recently and then I faced this problem where my Instagram story got stuck. It was a video story. It was a reels. It was one of those reels those Instagram reels that I wanted to put on my story. So it got stuck. So it got stuck on my Instagram story, and I couldn't remove it. So here's this quick fix for that. You just have to close your internet, quit the goddamn app, and you just gotta remove it from the recents. You know what I'm saying? And then you gotta just open the app while your internet is off, the internet connection. So yeah, from here you just gotta go to the Instagram app, gotta click on the try again option. There you could see your story isn't getting removed. You gotta click on the try again option and click the delete option. Yeah, there you go, your Instagram story is deleted, the one which was stuck on your stories. So yeah, this is how it works. And then you gotta just turn your internet connection on, and you just gotta go into the app like you normally do, and there you go. When you click on your stories, you will see that the story that was stuck on your account will be gone, just like that. Like there you could see it's loading right now. It takes time sometimes. It takes a lot of time sometimes to load up. Yeah, so there you go. When you click on your stories, you will see that the story that was stuck on your account will be removed successfully. So this is how it's done, bro. And yeah, you could just like get rid of that pretty easily, just like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do drop a like to this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like these. This is pronouncing KSTG Herman signing out.
Like a Hellcat.